What's up, everyone? What's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lyndon, and today I'm gonna have a bunch of videos because I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit all our videos in today because it is busy. There is, as you can see, there is a snowstorm today in Ontario and southern Ontario, and I don't know, man. There is so many cars stuck. There's so many cars stuck. So I'm gonna probably have more than one video. We don't know. I personally don't know yet. We'll see how many calls I got, but I'm trying to get to a call right now, and let's see how it goes. Let me know what you guys think, and yeah, stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy. Man, today's a really bad day to drive, man. I think everybody should have stayed home. You look up there, these two trucks are stuck as well, and I gotta go to a call that we got called for already. That's just on the other side of them. So I don't know how I'm gonna get by here. I really don't know. You got cars like this trying to get by me. You gotta love it. Hey guys, we're here at where we're supposed to go. We're here where we're supposed to go, but we got some snow here where I don't want to get stuck. I don't want to get stuck over this at all. But he's way down there, so I gotta back down. All this one, I just want to see how bad it is. Oh yeah, there's a lot. Look at this, guys. There is a lot, and he is all the way down there. Guys, so dispatch, I told dispatch like there's a lot of snow on that off ramp, so they told me to disregard that one and come to another one. It's 401 in Dixie. So leaving here now, gonna turn around and we're gonna go to that one and see how bad it is. All right guys, so my GoPro died, but we're out here with this one here. His clutch went. I guess he's trying to take himself out. I'll hook this one up quickly and get out of here. But we just got another truck here hooked up. It is busy today, I tell you. It is a busy one today. But I got him hooked up here, truck and trailer, so we're just gonna bring him off to 427 and Finch, and then we are gonna drop his trailer there, drop his trailer there, then bring his truck to the location, and we'll be back on the road. All right, guys, so that one I just did with the Freightliner there with the truck and trailer. I just towed him off the highway and dropped him just at the corner of some street over here. But we got to go back now for another one that's jackknifed on the 427 bridge. So I'm just gonna head back on the highway and try to back down. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see, I am backing up down the highway right now. So this ramp that I'm backing down, it's pretty much 401 eastbound to 427 northbound on ramp, and there is two tractor trailers that are jackknifed blocking the ramp. So they called us out to move them, so I'm gonna go move it's a pony pup dump truck. I'm gonna go move him first, and I'm gonna move the other truck. So I'll be back down there. I'm gonna take my time because there's a lot of snow, and then we'll show you guys how it is. My GoPro died, so I won't be able to show you guys quick actions. I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks, pull it up quickly, and then the after. Oh, all right, guys, we're here. Quick to show you guys how bad this thing is. How you doing? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah?
How much is that?
I don't do those, I only do trucks.
You do truck?
Yeah, the cars are gonna come for that. Yeah, the small trucks are gonna come for that.
Okay, for the
Yeah. It's all police contract now, so we get dispatched for it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You just to the truck.
I'm just to move the trucks and that's it.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Some cars coming in for the small.
Yeah, the small. Once I move these guys, the small trucks will come.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Unfortunately, I can't hold my camera for long, guys, because it is freezing. Oh my god. So cold, the wind's blowing, all this snow, it's brutal. Alright guys, I'm gonna to finish this and I'll show you guys once I'm done. Well, we're almost off the highway. Clouds came, plowed us in even more. Let's see if I can even get out of this. Oh my god, so this sucks. I'm in such a dangerous spot. But I gotta get this guy out. No MTO. MTO's all busy, everyone's all busy, so I'll leave my camera on just in case fucking somebody hits me. Switch that truck out there. I'm gonna go back, grab that one down there now. You jackknife right across the whole highway and get the highway open at least. I couldn't record that one because there was such a rush. He was having us back down. So let me back down and get that one done. All right, guys, I'm all backed up down here now. Whew. Has hooks. Let me hook up to this thing and get her going. Get the winches here tied up. Alright, we got him out. Pulling him off the ramp. The ramp's a little slippery. Get him up as high as I can get him at least. Oh wow, look at that. You guys can see over here. All that's all piles of snow from the trucks going up and down the plows. Oh wow, look at this. All this snow. And guys, we got another one here and some deep powder. Oh my god. This one is bad. Boss, it still start? Start it. Still. Okay. Wow, guys, this one is buried. This is the on-ramp to the 401 from Mavis. Now it's another ramp. And we got another truck stuck there as well. Okay, let's get this one out and then we're gonna get out of here. All right, guys, we got the second one out. I couldn't really record much for you guys today. Everything, but today's one of those days where we gotta be super quick. All right, on to the next one. We got another one to go do, which is on the other side, on ramp. So let's get to it. All right, guys, we got another one here. All right, guys. This one we gotta get out. It's gonna be fairly easy. I'm just gonna hook my chain onto it and we get to go. Whew. Well, guys, I'm all done for the day. My camera ended up dying and I couldn't film all the other jobs I did. I ended up doing a whole bunch of other jobs and yeah. So I have another video coming out, which might be tomorrow, of one of the jobs I did with the GoPro. So I'm gonna link that in. I'll show you guys a preview of it right now. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and like, comment, love it. And yeah, I'm just gonna go plow my. I just finished plowing my my driveway. So I'm gonna go to bed. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.